Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To open a second window view of the document on which you are currently working that contains an exact copy of its contents, click the View tab in the ribbon. Then click the New Window button that appears in the Window button group. A new window then opens which contains a secondary view of the same document on which you are working. Its title bar shows the document's name with a 2 after it. Any other windows that you then open are numbered in sequential order. Your original document's title also shows a 1 after it while any secondary window is opened. Any changes you make in any window appear in the others. This is a handy tool to use when copying and pasting material from one section to another in the same document.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.